Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a folder in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer using PowerShell. Now, at first, what you want to do is just be at the place where you want to create a folder. I want to create a folder on my desktop, so I'm on my desktop. After that, just shift and right click anywhere on desktop. Then from here, just click on Open PowerShell window here. So after opening PowerShell, what you need to do is just type mkdir space the folder name, which will be my folder. Now in here, mkdir stands for make directory. I have done a spelling mistake. It's gonna be mkdir. So mkdir stands for make directory and my folder is the folder name. So I'm just gonna hit enter. And after that, as you can see, a folder called my folder has been created. And basically that is how to create a folder using PowerShell in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.